Hey everybody, welcome back. Now we're going to talk about dispatching on a value with switch. It is not uncommon for code to look like this. If x is equal to value 1, perform action 1, else if equal to action or value 2, perform action 2, else if x is equal to value 3, perform action 3. And by perform I just mean this is obviously a function, and so it's just saying do that function. Else do the default action. What we're about to learn is the switch statement. I have never once used a switch statement, but it's a good idea to be aware of it, so we're going to go through it anyway. There's a construct called switch that is intended to express such a dispatch in a more direct way. Unfortunately, the syntax JavaScript uses for this, which is inherited from the C Java line of programming languages, is somewhat awkward. A chain of if statements may look better. Here's an example. Switch, prompt, what is the weather like? Case of rainy, console.log, remember to bring an umbrella, break. Case sunny, console.log, dress slightly. Case cloudy, console.log, go outside, break. Default, console.log, unknown weather type, break. Now, if you're thinking, wow, I don't want to do any of that, then you'll be in good shape because you can just do an if-else statement for the exact same situation. However, this does exist, so it's basically saying switch on the case of whatever this value ends up being. If it's equal to this, do this. If it's equal to this, do this. If it's equal to this, do this. There's weird things with the break statements, though. Let's go ahead and run this. What's the weather like? Let's say rainy. Remember to bring an umbrella. Okay, cool. Let's run it again. Let's say it's sunny. Dress lightly, go outside. Now, isn't that interesting? What happens in the first one is this runs, and then it stops. In the second one, this runs, and then this stops. Now, that's one of the reasons why people don't like this, because if you forget these break statements, we'll just go ahead and get rid of them. It's going to say all of the console.log statements, because it's not going to know when to stop this execution. So if we run this, and I just say rainy, remember last time it just said remember to bring umbrella? Well, this time it's going to say remember the umbrella, dress lightly, go outside, unknown weather type. Well, there you go. You may put any number of case labels inside a block opened by switch. The program will start executing at the label that corresponds to the value the switch was given, or at default, which is this one, if no matching value is found. It will continue executing even across other labels until it reaches a break statement. In some cases, such as the sunny case in the example, this can be used to share some code between cases. It recommends going outside for both sunny and cloudy weather. But be careful, it is easy to forget such a break, which will cause the program to execute code you do not want executed. So there you go. Not really going to spend a ton of time on it, but there it is. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.